Hi, I'm Dr. Mia Frezzo, and most recently I was talking about fleas and ticks. In this season, which in New Jersey we see fleas and ticks pretty much all year round, but right now it's springtime, and if you happen to find a tick on yourself or your dog, what do? First of all, don't panic. Do not panic. It is scary, but it does take several hours for a tick to transmit any disease. So you want to just remain calm. Secondly, do not ever squeeze the tick. Don't squeeze the body of the tick. The tick actually attaches to the skin with little tiny mouth parts, which are like little kind of needle-like insertions that go into the skin. So the tick is really held quite tightly in most cases. You want to get close to that skin, right close to the head and the mouth parts in order to get it out. Now, there are some beautiful reports and videos of peppermint oil, pure peppermint oil, placed near the tick that help the tick to back out. The tick doesn't like peppermint and backs away from it. So there are several reports of putting just a drop of peppermint near the site of the tick and helping it to back out. You want to grab tweezers, so tiny little tweezers. Part the hair, if it's on a dog, part the hair as best you can so you can get right down to the level of the skin. Grasp at the level of the skin, get as much as you can of the tick's body and head and pull out. Just don't squeeze the abdomen, the big round part of the tick. That would be really dangerous. So try to get it all in one kind of swift initial retraction. What you don't pull out the first time can be hard to get because the more you pick at it, the more the tissue swells and kind of envelops anything that might be left behind. So your first attempt is really the best. If you're not comfortable doing it at home, then I would suggest you go on into one of your veterinary offices nearby and ask for some help. Once the tick is removed, again, do not squish it, squeeze it, squash it. Don't do anything because you will release a number of diseases that the tick potentially carries. In some laboratories and offices, the tick can be submitted for testing if you'd like to know if that tick carries Lyme disease, for example. But you want to report this to your doctor and to your veterinarian and get their advice as to how to proceed based upon any signs or symptoms that may be present already. Hopefully there are none, and how long the tick may have been there. Okay, so your best defense is prevention. So be proactive with your Terra Shield and your essential oils, and I hope you never do find a tick. Of course, if you're out hiking, walking, even in our local ball fields, we have ticks. Be sure to check yourselves. You may want to wear white socks. Many people wear long pants. You may just want to be very vigilant about ticks and your safety. If you need anything, please feel free to call on us at Animal Hospital of Hasbrouck Heights,